So in the previous video of the course, we have tried to control a single motor with the help of our Arduino board and the motor driver shield, and we were able to successfully move the motor in forward and backward directions. So in this video, we will try to connect all other three motors with our Arduino motor shield and try to control all the four motors at the same time with the help of our motor driver and this code. So let me connect the remaining three motors with our motor driver shield now. So now I have successfully connected the remaining three motors with our motor driver. So now we will write the code to control all the four motors at the same time with the help of our Arduino IDE. So for that, let's move to our computer screen now. So on the computer screen, we have previously added a single motor. So now what we will do is we will just try to replicate it multiple times and just change the number of it. So here we will set it to motor 2, which is connected the M2 of the motor driver. Here we will do it as 3 and it is connected with the M3 on the motor driver. We'll set it to 4 and add 4 in here as well. So now we have initialized all the four motors successfully. Now after that we will move to our void loop, and in here we just need to set the speed of all remaining three motors. So I will just copy it and paste it 3 more times and change the numbers of our motor. It will be 2, 3 and 4. So we have set the speed for all the four motors, which is 255 for all the motors. So the speed of all the motors will be same, and after that we just need to move all the remaining three motors in forward directions after that. So I will just paste it 3 more times and change the numbers of this 2, 3 and 4. So after running this code, all the four motors should move in forward directions, and if a single motor or any of the motors is moving in different directions, you could just interchange the wires that we have connected with our motor shield with the red one to the black one. So you can just interchange that and it should move in the same directions as all the motors. So after that we will just add a delay. So we have already added a delay. We will add backwards to the remaining three motors in here and we'll change the numbers of it, and it should move all the four motors in backward direction, and at the end of it we want it to stop. So we will just copy the release as well, so it will stop the rotation of all the motors, and we will change the motor numbers in here, set it to 3 and the last one will be the 4. So I think this code should work properly. So let's just try compiling the code and see if there is any syntax error or not. And you can see the code has been compiled successfully. So let's try uploading it onto our Arduino board and see the output in action now. So as you guys can see on the output screen, a single motor is rotating now. Let's click on the upload button and see if all the motors are rotating properly or not. And you can see all the motors are rotating, and some of the motors are rotating in different directions as I can see. So what I will do is I will just interchange their wires with the black and red one. So we will pull out the red one and insert it where we have connected the black wire with the positive and negative end. So let me make the connections for it now. So after interchanging the wires, as you guys can see on the output screen, all the motors are rotating in the same direction, and it is doing forward, backward, and it is being stopped after 2 seconds. So we have successfully able to control all the 4 motors with the help of our Arduino motor shield. So that was it for this video. Let's move to the next video of this course.